channel. Today is Sunday and I actually woke up very early today to make breakfast because I didn't cook anything yesterday. I went to make my hair and I came back very late. My god, yesterday the weather was very cold, like very cold. Poland is really cold right now. I woke up around 6 or 6:30 to prepare breakfast. I don't know when I will be back from church. I was invited to another church through a friend. We are going to a party together. He invited me as his +1. So we are going to the party together and he wants me to come to his church so that from there him and his other friends can go to the venue of the party together. So that's why I'm preparing breakfast this morning. He said the party is all day from 2 to whenever you want to go home. So I don't know when I'll be coming back. That's why I'm preparing this food this morning. I miss my church though. If not, I would have seen free rice to eat today. But anyway, let's see how today goes. Let me show you what I am doing. The food is almost ready. Let me just show you guys a short clip. Okay, so yeah, I will try to bring you guys along. I will see if I can vlog there, you know, people and privacy. Let's see how it will go. Hello. Hello. Oh, this place is scenting.
It's scenting, right? That's what you get. Eat with me.
I'll be smart, you know.
We even thought you came late.
No. It's gonna be a long night.
Hello.
Everybody should say hi. You guys can feel relaxed.
Everything is content now. I don't know.
you.